Lesson 2. Introducing the Excel Fundamentals. In this lesson, you'll learn how to enter and edit data in a workbook and then save workbooks in alternate formats. Topic 1. Enter and edit data. To enter data into an open worksheet, you can simply select a cell, enter text or numbers, and select Enter on the keyboard to complete the entry. You'll probably want to alter the width of the columns and height of the rows at some point. That functionality will be covered in the next module. To enter data, open the existing workbook or create a new one. Select the cell in which you'd like to enter data and begin entering text or numbers. To complete a data entry, select Enter, which will move you to the row below. Or use the Tab key to move to the adjacent cell to the right of the current cell. Or use the Shift-Tab keys to move to the adjacent cell to the left of the current cell. Or use any directional arrow key to move one cell in any direction. Or select the Enter button, tick, next to the formula bar to stay in the same cell, or select Ctrl+Enter. Or select any other cell. This is not best practice, but it is a commonly used method. To edit the cell content, you can select the cell that you wish to edit, make your alterations directly within the cell or via the formula bar. Or select F2, make your alterations, and use any method to complete the entry. To cancel a cell entry, select Escape on your keyboard before completing the entry, or select the Cancel button, X, next to the formula bar before completing the entry. To clear cell contents, access the context menu or right-click on a cell to clear, and select Clear Contents. Or select Delete on your keyboard. If you select Delete from the context menu, Excel will want to shift data into the deleted cells. You can use the Undo or Redo commands or Ctrl+Z or Ctrl+Y to undo or redo any actions.